If you are planning to keep a parrot, and you don't know which breed to choose, I recommend hand-fed Lovebirds are also known as lovebirds. They have the nickname Lovebirds. Their length is approximately 13 to 17 centimeters. They weigh about 40 to 60 grams. They belong to the small parrot breeds. They have a short and chubby body. They are adorable and affectionate. They are smart and agile. They are not expensive. They have strong resistance. They produce no feather dust. This type of parrot is popular and has a relatively expensive price. Rare breeds may be relatively more expensive.